Hello, welcome to your practice. So happy you're here. My name is Nadi, and I will guide you today into a hip mobility flow. We're gonna move our hips into different directions just to juice them up, and especially if you're sitting all day long, this practice is for you. So let's start in a cross-legged position. If you have something beside you want to place underneath your hips, you're welcome to bring a cushion, a blanket, anything. Once you're ready, can rest your hands on your knees or on your lap. It's going to take a moment to arrive. You can allow your eyes to gently close and start to bring your awareness into your breath. Easy, steady breath in through the nose and out through the nose. Allow your face to soften. Your eyebrows, the edges of your eyes, your cheeks, your mouth. Unclench your jaw. And feel into your body in this moment what is alive for you, what is present, which sensations are present. Now take one more breath in through the nose. On your exhalation, open the mouth and release. One more inhale through the nose. Open mouth, let it go. Next one, inhale up through the nose and extend the arms up. Open mouth, lower your hands down through the center. Lower your hands all the way down to your knees. Okay, we're gonna start by placing one hand on top of our right foot, other hand on top of the right knee. And we're gonna rock our leg from side to side. So if you're familiar with this movement, you want to take it a step forward, you can just hug your shin a little closer into your chest. See how that feels. If you're noticing you're collapsing, you're kind of sinking back. So come back to the first variation. We want to keep our spine nice and long, the chest stays open. Good. And dropping your mind into the sensations, into your hip. Bringing your leg back to center, we're going to lower it down to the ground. And I want to create some space here between the legs. Flexing the right foot. Lengthen with your next inhalation. On the exhale, start to walk your hands down to a place you can hold for a few breaths. You don't have to push yourself down or, aim to drop your entire torso. Just finding a place you can breathe. And you can find ease in your body. And either holding it here, if you have that space, just walk your hand just slightly over to your left. Allow your head to stay heavy, your neck is relaxed. Walking the hands back through center and all the way back in towards you. Now extend your leg out. Just find a place again that feels comfortable for your body. You don't have to open your leg all the way out. Yeah, not fully warm yet. Now move the flesh of your bum back so your sitting bones are grounded. Activating through your right leg, flexing your foot. Now take your right hand and slide it just to a place that, again, feels good for your body, that you can hold yourself upright. We're going to take the left hand, place it at the crease of your left hip. Maybe curl your chest open, rolling your left shoulder to the back. And your left hand is pressing your hip down so you can really feel it at the side of your body. Take another breath. Beautiful. And you can slowly return back to center. Bend your right knee. Let's do everything on the other side. So holding your left foot, left knee, either holding it here and rocking the leg from side to side, or bring it a little closer to your chest. Keep your chest open. Your spine is upright. Good, and breathe here. Notice the sensations as we arrive into the left side. Maybe it feels a little different. Returning the leg back to center, we're gonna drop it down to the ground, opening the space between the legs, flexing your left foot. Take a breath in. On your exhalation, start to walk yourself down. And again, you will find your spot. Keep your head relaxed, your face is relaxed. Notice how the exhalation supports that melting of your torso, your chest down towards your left leg, towards the ground. And we're going to walk our hands over to the right. And breathe here. Walk your hands back through center and all the way back in towards you. We're going to extend our left leg out. Let's slide our left hand to a place that feels just aligned with your body in this moment. Placing the right hand to the crease of the right hip and curling the chest open, rolling the right shoulder back, pressing the right hand into the crease of the hip so you can really keep your right sitting bone glued to the mat. And breathe here. Breathe into your body, into this posture. Notice what is happening here. Beautiful. And let's return back to center. I'm gonna just place your feet behind you, come into your all fours, up to your hands and your knees. Let's open our knees out to the edges of the mat and start to circle them around. So you wanna drop them back to the heels, moving them to one side, to the front, and over to the other side. Just a few circles. They can be big, they can be small, they can be fast or slow, whatever feels good for the body. We're gonna change directions. Okay, and back into your all fours, we're gonna walk ourselves to the back of the mat. Now, maybe it's first time you're gonna try this exercise. It's amazing hip mobility exercise. I truly love it. And you need to stay open for that. So follow my guidance. We're gonna lift our left toes up. Keep your knee bent. Now we're gonna kick our left leg out to the side. And from here, with your knee bent, you wanna kind of thread it in front of your right leg. Yeah, that's the movement. So you're gonna do the other side. And as you move sides, you can walk your hand just slightly away to have more space. Now, right toes will point up. Kick your right leg out. With your knee bent, you wanna stack it in front of the left leg. Hands will walk further away. And like that, continue. Follow that movement. Maybe it's really, really slow and it feels a little awkward in your body. That's okay. Just opening more space in the hip, just creating different movements. To juice them up, to lubricate them, to hydrate them. And the breath is present. And now next time your left leg will come in front of the right, we want to hold it here. We're going to point our toes out to the edges of the mat, out and away from each other. And then we're going to make our way down. And maybe it feels divine, maybe it feels a little contracted and a little stiff. That's okay, yeah? Whatever you meet. If it really doesn't feel comfortable and you cannot hold it, feel free to extend your right leg. That's one possibility. Second one will be to place something underneath your sitting bones. If you have a block beside you or a cushion, that can be a good option for you. Hold it here. Maybe close your eyes. Come back to the breath. You're welcome to hold it here for a few rounds of breath. If you're familiar with this movement and you find space, you can also lower your hands down to the mat, maybe walk them further away. And dropping your chest down, relaxing your head. And wherever you choose to be, come back to the breath, come back to the sensations in your body. Allow each exhalation to drop your torso, your chest a little closer to your legs, to the mat, without any force, without pushing. And very slowly from here, press down to the ground and walk your hands back. Now we're going to take our hands, we're going to place them over to the right. And as you do that, press down into the ground. Now press your feet and lift your hips up. Okay, we're going to come into a forward fold with your feet wide open to the edges of the mat. Relax your torso. You can hold your opposite elbows and take a moment to sway from side to side. Bend one knee at a time. Relax your head. Your shoulders can melt down besides the ears. Now lower your hands down to the mat. Bend your knees. From here, we're going to keep the left hand down to the mat. We're going to keep our left knee bent. On your next inhalation, extend through your right leg and reach your arm up high. Lengthen through the fingertips. Exhale, we're going to drop again, right hand down, and we're going to change. So both knees are bent. From here, open. Extend your left arm as you extend your left leg. Reach up. One more breath. Exhale, we're going to change. Inhale as you open, lengthen through your right side. And on your exhalation, drop everything and change. Inhale. Let's do one more time on each side. Beautiful. Returning back here, we're going to walk our hand just slightly forward. Step your feet to the back of the mat into your first downward dog. Take a moment to walk your feet. Bending one knee at a time as you drop your opposite heel down to the mat. Stretch your calves, your hamstrings. Relax your head. And coming back down into your all fours. All right, we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So now you're a little bit familiar with the movement. We're going to just come back to the back of your mat. Plant your palms, spread your fingers wide. So you have solid foundations here. Now we're going to start. We're going to just point the right toes up, open the knee, kick your leg out, and scoop your leg in front of the left. Hands can walk slightly forward. Continue this movement. In your own pace, we're not in a hurry here. It's moving in your own time. And feeling as you do that, what is happening in your body? Can you stay curious to meet yourself here as you are? Meet your breath. Meet the challenge if you're feeling challenged. Meet the flow if it feels really flowy. So again, whatever is here. And the next time your right leg will stack in front of the left, we're going to keep it there. Opening the feet out and sinking your hips down to the ground. Taking a moment to feel into this side. Again, as you know, you are welcome to place something underneath your sitting bones. You're welcome to extend your left leg, whatever you need to find ease in your body, ease in this moment. Either holding it here as you sit upright, or you can also lower your hands down to the mat, maybe walking them to your own sweet spot. Relaxing everything, allowing the exhalation to just remind you of the possibility to let go, to be held, to surrender. And very slowly, you can walk your hands back in towards you. Hands behind you. Extend the legs forward. Take a moment to shake everything. Shake your legs, your hands. You can circle your feet around. All right, bend your knees. Open your feet to the edges of the mat. Hands behind you for support. Windshield wipers your legs. Drop your legs over to one side, back up and over to the other side. A few rounds here. And you can hold it for a breath as you come to each side. Just really feeling it here. Good. Next time your legs are landing over to your left side, keep them down and bring your left foot on top of your right thigh. If it's accessible, take a moment to feel it here. Right leg is relaxed, feeling the stretch, the outside line of your leg, maybe all the way up, keeping your chest open. Releasing your foot from over your thigh, lift your knees, inhale and exhale over to the right. And change it here so your right foot can come on top of your left thigh. Feeling it here. Softening everything, shoulders, your face. And returning your foot back down, lift your knees. Step your feet a little closer to your groins and you can hug your shins, relax your forehead down to your knees. Just give yourself a hug. Hug your legs. Just thanking this wonderful body and whatever you met today on your mat. Lifting your head back up, come back into a cross-legged position. You can rest your hands on your knees. We're gonna just for a moment circle around with your torso, rounding through the back, opening through the chest, just a few rounds, feeling your body, maybe closing your eyes for the last part of this practice. Maybe the neck feels like joining. It's finding your own flow, your organic flow that feels good, nourishing. You know, your body knows. And eventually return back to your center line. Take a moment back to meet stillness, to meet your breath. You can bring your hands together to the center of your chest. Tuck your chin slightly to the chest. And thank yourself. Thanking your body, thanking yourself for showing up, for taking time for yourself. I know it's hard in the middle of the day just to pause everything, but it's really so worth it. I hope you're feeling it right now. I hope you feel a little bit more space in your hips. And this practice you can stack on to your other practices, to your daily routine. You can continue here if you're feeling inspired to move your body, or you can just complete your practice for the day. Thank you for joining. I hope to see you again on your mat. Thank you.